Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play split screen on 7 Days to Die on PlayStation 4. First, make sure you have a second controller connected to your console. It's important that both controllers are either fully charged or plugged in via a USB cable. Once your controllers are ready, simply launch the 7 Days to Die game from your PlayStation's main menu to begin the process. After the game loads, navigate to the main menu and select the New Game option. Here, you can customize your game experience by adjusting various settings, such as the difficulty level and the size of your world. Take your time to choose what works best for you and your co-op partner. Once satisfied, confirm your selections to proceed into the game lobby. Now that you are in the game lobby, it's time for the second player to join. Have your co-op partner press the Options button on their connected controller. A prompt will appear, allowing them to select their PlayStation profile. Once they choose their profile, they will seamlessly join your game, and both of you will appear on the same screen, ready for action. When playing split screen, remember that both players share the same view, so communication is key for effective movement and exploration. Each player manages their own inventory and crafting, allowing for individual progression. Get ready to team up and face the challenges of the zombie apocalypse side by side. Have fun surviving together in this immersive world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.